A man decided to explore an abandoned funeral home, which was once called the most beautiful burial facility in the USA. What he found inside is no less than terrifying. What is good, friends? I'm Charlotte Joubray and this is Inform Overload. You know what all the cool kids are doing? Click that bell notification so you can be the first to know when we upload content. I'll be responding to the comments within the first 10 minutes our videos go up. Alrighty, so YouTuber and explorer R Willy decided to go to an abandoned mausoleum in Alabama called the Memorial Mound. It was built by someone named C. Booth on a 16-acre site. It was designed in 1992 to resemble the catacombs of Rome. While exploring the site, he found a lot of really eerie things. Firstly, he found old leaflets from funerals lying all over the place. He also found embalming chemicals, which is used in funeral homes to prevent the decomposition of bodies. Here's where it gets super disturbing. There were open caskets with human remains still inside them. No less than 8 bodies were found, and it's not certain how long they were left there. Reports say that the remains were of 1 infant and 7 adults. You would think that after the funeral home closed down, that the bodies would be moved to a cemetery. That's the respectful thing to do. The family members of those people probably now have to make other burial arrangements for their loved ones. It is unclear why or when the funeral home was abandoned. After Booth died in 2009, no taxes were paid on the property. What I find incredible is that this place was abandoned with dead bodies still inside it. Since the video was uploaded, the Memorial Mound has been put on lockdown and is monitored by security 24 hours a day. All of the bodies that were found were buried at a traditional cemetery. Okay guys, that is all I have for you on that. I will see you in another IO video.